Hi, and welcome to BitDragon Live. My name is Adam Russell. I'm here to share with you guys some important updates and some information I think that would be really timely. The market obviously is a sea of red right now. A lot of people are freaking out, and there's one of the things that I've always said on our Instagram channel is buy on the dips, guys. Take advantage of the dips. At this point right now, the market is going to recorrect itself. It's already had a really strong drop. Over $100 billion came out in one day. Also understand that, a B3 right now is going through a conversion. And we're going to go over that in a little more detail. We're going to drill down into that. I think that a lot of people don't have a clear understanding of what's going on with B3. We put a video out that was not even I think day 3 or day 2 of our videos, and it actually has over 4,000 views on it. So at this point, but absolutely and timely to get this information out in regards to what's going on with B3 and what's going on with the market. So let's talk real quick about the market. So look at CoinMarketCap. It's really telling. You guys can see here that it's a sea of red, man. I mean, everywhere you look. But if you look at the graphs on the right, you'll see that everything took a drop and then it has an uptick. Everything has an uptick. It has the same pattern across the board. What does that simply mean? That means that it is about to correct itself, and a lot of the bottoms have been hit. So let's take a couple examples of the bottom. There's only 5 coins out of all of them that were actually in the green. Everyone else is in the red. And so let's pull up a couple of different coins. Let's pull up, I think UTrust is a solid investment. Again, do your own due diligence when you're going to do an investment. It actually dropped down as low as, I think, 38 cents last night. And as you can see here, over the time it's been out, which hasn't been out that long, it is almost at an all-time low. So I think it's a really good buying opportunity if you're buying on the dips, and it's going to start to go back up. So as you can see now, it's at about 54 cents. We bought in at about 50 cents, something like that. So even we missed the bottom of the dip, but nobody really knows how deep it's going to go. Same thing with Unicorn Gold. Unicorn Gold also, as you can see, took a huge drop. Again, you want to buy in the dips. It's probably, again, one of the all-time lows. It just came out very recently as well. And it was up as high as a couple dollars, and now it's at like 77 cents. I think we bought in the 70 cents range. So also know that when you look at the market cap, total, still same BTC dominance. So let's talk about B3. So B3 has put an official announcement on their website, guys, that KB3 is going to be the new B3 coin. But it's just an evaluation of, for every 1,000 B3 equals 1 KB3. And the reason that is because they had a increase on the staking pool to 10,000% between the 60 and 80,000 block. And what happened is it created a huge overall supply, over 600 billion in the supply. And what happened because of that is that the exchanges at that point didn't want to list it. And they decided that they were going to change the unit of measure to the KB3. So here's a show, the 60 to 80,000 block, it shot up to 10,000%, and that was annual growth. We got lucky enough to get involved during that time frame. You guys can actually see they really truly do have a staking pool, and they really do have a explorer that is actually the blockchain explorer that checks to see what's going on with every block that is staked and that is created. So it's important that you guys know that they've been around a long time. This company didn't just come out yesterday, because it's not a company. Guys, it's a coin that the market share, that the community, the 27 Discord, 27,000 Discord people on there that are active, very, very active. But look at the overall max supply. You got over 2 billion coins. You got over 600 million in the circulating supply, hasn't been rolled out yet. So right now it shows 7 cents. That's for KB3 is the actual value of the coin that they're actually showing. Now, if you guys scroll back, you can look and see that this isn't the beginning of this coin, guys. It came out in 2016. I mean, hell, 6 months in this industry is a long time. So to be out since 2016, that's like a lifetime. So if we go back, I think it was September of 2016 is when this coin first came out. And even back then, it was like a penny when it first came out. But they've had to go through this correction. They've been trying to stay on track with the roadmap, and they have some exciting things that are going to be coming up. But I know that a lot of you want to know what to do with your B3. How can you convert it to KB3? I think YOBIT is in the process of moving that over. But at the moment, CoinExchange is the exchange or coins market, but CoinExchange seems to be the one that they're testing the test bed for the KB3 conversion. So what you have to do is follow this. How do you change your coins from B3 to KB3? Simply go to CoinExchange, go to your account balance, obviously search for a B3 coin, withdraw your B3, open up and do a deposit in the B3 wallet. The KB3 address will then come up. You transfer the coin over and it'll be changed to KB3. So if you had 1,000 B3, you would have 1 B3. So now here's YOBIT BTC to B3 conversion. It's not set to KB3 yet, but it says here that it's going to. Now, when it comes to CoinSexChange, actually this is CoinSexChange. This is just to show you real quick that they already announced it on the site. This is to show you that you can create a deposit address. We're not going to do that right now. We have no need to do that at the moment. But I did want to show you the value and how high it went just recently, how high the value of this coin went to. Now, what's really crazy, guys, is that no matter what B3 does, people are confused in regards to the value or the price. So based on the current value of BTC, it looks like 2530 Satoshis, which is about 33 cents, was the high. Then it went to 1758 Satoshis, and we're just doing the conversion here, a simple conversion for you to show you what it is. And that is around 23 cents. And now it's dropped down because the entire market has dropped down. So that is indicative of everything across the board has dropped, right? And now it's dropped to 269 Satoshis, which you can see that that's around 7 cents. So let's just take a quick look at that. And you're going to see that when you use this converter, it's PREEV, P-R-E-E-V. You just pull it up on the internet. But 269 Satoshis is roughly 3 cents. And if you look at, that is for a 1 KB3 according to CoinSexChange. Now, YOBIT, as I mentioned earlier, they're actually still showing B3. And so because they're showing B3, they're showing it based on the current value of 1 B3. So it still can be sold as a B3 unit. And if you look there, I think they're at 25 Satoshis, which is 0.0003 cents for 1 Satoshi, I think, or yeah, for 24 Satoshis. So yeah, you can see here that the value is across the board not accurate. So they pulled the YOBIT value off of CoinMarketCap, and they're utilizing the value off of CoinExchange at the moment. Now they do plan on getting listed on multiple other exchanges now that they've made these changes. There's also multiple pairing, as you can see on YOBIT. Once this gets back up and running properly, they have you can compare it to Waves, to Dogecoin, to Ethereum, to BTC, even USD. So there's going to be a lot of ability to pair this to different coins once they're back up, rocking and rolling. Now I know that there's a lot of developers that are coming in with marketing experience as well that are coming in the B3 community to be able to help build this coin back up. They did a phenomenal job on the website. I think if you look at their roadmap, you're going to see that there's some exciting things. They're going to have a decentralized exchange. They've got a single payment system that they're going to be creating an Android app, as well as a lot of other key developments. And when you look at they already did the fundamental node side just a little while ago. So I guess the most important thing is that HODL, guys. Do not try to sell your B3 or KB3. It is a long-term play, and it's absolutely going to go up in value. So I think with that, guys, that gives you a really good understanding of what's going on. I want to provide you with my final thoughts. And my final thoughts is that during a down market, always buy in the dips and try to have some money aside in either BTC, Ethereum, or USDT, Tether, to be able to take advantage of those dips. And for B3 coin, guys, it's a hold, man. It's a hold for probably the next month or two, and hold until the value actually increases to a point where it actually makes sense. So I hope you guys are not panicking at this point in the market. You're really just understanding it's like riding the bit dragon. You're going up and down. You're riding the waves. You're riding the skies. And so I wanted to leave you guys off with our anthem, which I have Chris Record obviously created the HODL Gang. And so with that, guys, I just wanted to share that with you. So have an incredible day. Take care. Take charge. And we'll see you at the
This
top.
is technology, it's a computing language, and I can build an app on it.
Is Bitcoin the currency of the future?
Crypto gang, ether gang, big gang, alt gang, light gang, cash game, blockchain. Whoa, I don't really ever buy stocks, man. No. Haters wanna say I'm in a bubble, man. No. Chew 'em up like bubble gum. No. Just made a meal with my pocket change. No. Wreck about to go and join the huddle gang. Huddle gang, huddle gang, huddle gang.